What is that?
You know, you remember one time in Cashapp pepper come and when I tell you, you know, some have breed I long. You could all
mix up in this.
Yes, but I mostly brown pepper them.
Yeah.
These are brown peppers?
Yeah.
Pepper.
We call brown pepper.
The brown skin.
Brown skin pepper. You ever see brown skin pepper?
No.
You ever see red pepper?
Yeah.
Green pepper.
Green pepper.
Yellow when they ripe, some yellow when they ripe, some red when they ripe. This brown.
Let me show you. We can go for one can come show you.
So guys.
Michelle, I really this is not about bag. You have bag in there.
So guys, me and Mama Lynn came to the countryside and she picking up bushes as usual.
These are not bushes, these are pepper sucker.
Yeah.
When you make the bed and sow the seed,
Yeah.
after these grow up to this size now, you transplant them.
Gotcha. But the thing is, you guys know I just started home gardening and my grandmother told me that the soil that I bought at the store is not the right soil. She told me say no good. So she said make sure that when we come to the country we can cook us back so that we can get some soil, proper soil to use in planting. So that's what's happening over there. She makes sure getting the soil so that right wild country soil with the right nutrients. And so the peppers there, brown pepper.
Do you remember when them green? Before they start to turn brown? Look at the stem at this. See, it just start to get brown. You see them? These are when they are ripe. Yes, man. See it there?
They look good.
Stylish. I want to show you the bed.
Alright.
When we pull those from.
Ooh, we're going in the bushes.
See there?
Oi.
Boy. See there? See the patch there? So you just take them down, transplant them. See how the bed big and all down there, so? See them there?
One bucket of pepper mix, we pick and sow it. One bucket, one seal bucket.
What are they like for farming for you? What time you go farm, go plant things?
What time?
Yeah.
It's like you plant like in the evening, that's them now, the sun now penetrated. And you apply plant, you throw fertilizer, because that piece over there, I fertilize it today.
What's
over
that?
there.
The pepper?
Yeah.
Okay.
So when I go back out,
You will see what those what you're talking about.
So you plant the peppers in the night?
in the evening,
In the evening?
The cooler part of the day.
part of it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You plant with water, and then get the whole of the night coolness. And when the sun come, keep take them back, them fade, you know, but by night come, then up back. So that's it.
That is the best time.
Oh, okay. What other crops do you plant?
Cucumber, pop chard.
Yeah.
Alright, come and show you.
Some cucumber here.
Come on. Follow me.
Let me pass. Alright, go on.
Much more pepper sucker. When you have plant also
On my balcony. Oh, be careful. Hillside tumble down. Wow. What are these? Yeah.
Up choy.
They look so good.
This is callaloo.
Oh, it's callaloo in the middle of the pak choy. That's great. And a banana tree too. Plantains? A lie. Wow.
And these are peas. Peas, red peas. They cook with rice. They are make soup. These are the plants.
Nice.
They have callaloo.
Callaloo ready to cut. Ready?
You can cut some, give me. You carry home.
You can get it home. But me have one knife on that time. Okay, one use.
And these are sugar canes.
Right.
I said some of the beer and peppers that beer now rushing.
Scotch bonnet peppers. Nice.
See all this pepper tree have an pepper, have an yellow pepper. Come here, sir.
Let's see, man.
The yellow pepper.
You see that look a white something up on it? Whitish.
Yeah.
It's a spray. When you use spray to get rid of the insects.
Or the insecticide spray.
Get rid
Okay.
of the worm and the cricket.
But why worms always come out? Like, look at these callalus, how them have holy. Why worm eat one of them the hungry too?
They eat it, yeah.
But then when you spray the insecticide and the pesticide on it, then that go down in your body?
No, a couple of days it blow out.
Yeah?
It just stay there for a couple of days. And then, because like now what I say, when you spray, you don't cut any for a consumption until about like 5 days after or 6
After
days
it-
after. You know, say
it evaporates.
Yes.
Okay, cutie. I know you not come a country and not come read, you know.
The brown pepper there, man. Here's the brown peppers. And them hot.
Yeah? So them just name brown pepper, them not have no other name.
I know them as. The catch it and just plant.
So these were just transplanted. These are peppers.
Fam, check out this clip. This is raw, pure, authentic fun. This is how and where these kids learn life skills. Tell me something. When last you play outside? When last you really go outside and just be one with nature?
No, that's a tea. You're fool. Come, give me. Oh, in Kumba Coffee. Ah, yeah. I feel it, ball. That no gani. I'm a kiki. I need it. Bang.
This is also the callaloo and the pak choy from the garden we saw earlier. Cool, don't it? So it's the next day and sweet potato pudding is on the menu. Real authentic, hella top, hella bottom, hallelujah in the middle sweet potato pudding.
Hello, FAMIELIN. So Tavia, tell me now, why we have yellow potato and red potato? Why some of them different?
Different species.
Yeah. But they're both sweet potatoes.
Yep.
And I see you have an audience right here. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
So what make you going to dry hi? I don't understand you.
Hi.
Alright, so the first step in making this is to peel and then grate the potatoes, huh? Is it something that you like to do?
No,
You know, like grate potato? No. What make?
I don't like it stained.
It's thin?
Yeah.
I never grate it before now.
Always behind the camera.
Always behind the camera because I have such lovely people to do it for me. I'm so grateful. Put them to work.
Man.
Oh my gosh, look at that. You said? Another stew you grate. I'm gonna grate some for you. You can go behind the camera.
Should I just have one big blender and just throw them?
Yeah, no,
No? No, but People always grate potato to make pudding. Why
You
they
can
never
blend-
try blend it?
Blend it, no.
Yeah.
Or like they have these different food extractors or something. So. Like the other day I was looking at this machine I see somebody have we help if you knead the flour. And it knead it good. I'm gonna show you. I saw it on Instagram. Knead the flour, it whirl it around like so and go so. I knead the flour, just put the flour in the water, the caramel or whatever, and it does it. I'm like, I need to get one of those.
Seriously.
Yeah. Look at this, guys. Look how this one orange, kind of orange, and the other one's kind of yellow.
Next up is making natural coconut milk from real coconuts.
Just finished husking the coconut, or as we call it, ox the coconut. You know, it's husk. And then she said her thing is that she have to scrape off this brown thing after she take it out of the casing still. So let's see.
Then we blend with water. Next up is to combine all ingredients: the flour, sugar, cornmeal, sweet potato, coconut milk, vanilla, nutmeg, and salt. Then the charcoal is placed on a coal stove and it is lit. At this point, banana leaves are being warmed up in the fire because the mixture will be poured in the leaves. Mixture is poured and then the leaves are sealed. Then the pot is placed directly on top of the coal. The metal cover is then placed on top of it and then coal placed on top of the cover.
Breadfruit roasting nicely, potato baking nicely, multi-skill, double layer, multi-talented. See that? Wide view, close view. This is what you call Tony and make fashion. Wanna know what that means? Yeah. Ooh, wait, we can actually see the cake.
Cut off.
It looks good. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Comment below what's your favorite part of the video and your favorite experience making sweet potato pudding. Have you ever made sweet potato pudding before? Let me know. Thank you. Share the video, like the video, comment.
I want to send a special shout out to all my Patreons so far. I just launched yesterday and I'm already seeing the support. Thank you so much. To be a part of this exclusive community, head to www.patreon.com/Rochielin. Your contributions will help to fund projects that will benefit the community. You'll be rewarded with your heart's desires, from exclusive videos, behind the scenes, videos that can't make it to YouTube, to one-on-one sessions with me, to you choosing what to see next on my channel, and just lots and lots more, lots of surprises. Click the link in my bio to become a part of the Patreon family.
See y'all in the next one.